supportive of states exercising their right to self-defense. We individuals have the right to self-defense, and the sovereign states who created the federal government retain the right of self-defense. In the invasion clause, the self-defense clause, for those of you who've read Attorney General Brnovich's excellent opinion, it is a masterwork of history and law. We've now seen not just the counties here represented, but another half dozen with judges, local judges, who have legally concluded that they are suffering an invasion. That legal conclusion has now been made, but the people with the legal authority under the Constitution to take action on behalf of the states are the governors. They are the commander-in-chief of their state, and we would call on especially all 4 border governors to acknowledge what all of us recognize, and they frequently say, is an invasion as a matter of law, and to begin to turn those who cross the border illegally between the ports of entry back around and put them across the border. Don't take them to the border, take them across the border. I can tell you from my time at DHS, we knew it then and we're reproving it now. For all of the effort, for instance, of Operation Lone Star and of the efforts Governor Ducey is making in Arizona, they haven't moved the numbers, not downward. And the reason they haven't moved the numbers is because those contemplating crossing illegally into this country know they will get in and they will be allowed to remain. Until they don't know that, until they know that it will be difficult to get in, whether that's because of state authorities or federal, that is what it takes to actually drive the numbers down. And all of the efforts, I know Governor Abbott has been helping localities and so forth, but Operation Lone Star will not move the numbers unless Governor Abbott is willing to take this last step, declare an invasion, and put people back across the border. Governor Ducey is the logical alternative on the border today. But America would benefit, not just Texas, not just Arizona. And I want to say I've heard an argument against it raised, well, gosh, the federal government might arrest our law enforcement. They don't have any basis to do that. They don't have any basis to do that. We've studied this closely at the Center for Renewing America. We'll put another paper out on this subject soon. There is no legal basis and no charge the federal government can bring that actually legitimately applies to states defending themselves. There's no reason for border governors to avoid this declaration based on the facts, the law, or the consequences, even to their own folks. So we call on not just Governor Abbott, Governor Ducey, all the border governors now and in the future. I know there are elections in these states, so this will change this year, to take advantage of the self-defense protection they were preserved for them in the Constitution in Article 1, as Congressman Arrington laid it out at the beginning of his comments. And I would just point out, this was done for 100 years before there was a border patrol. And nobody said boo. Nobody said a word. The states did patrol the border with much lower numbers than we're seeing today. That's how far past the point of legal invasion we are, and the governors need to act to protect their states and for all Americans to benefit from that protection. Thanks again, Congressman Arrington, and to all of you here, Attorney General Brnovich, and to local officials from Texas who truly are on the front lines contending with this. It's no surprise their local judges are the first judges in America to find as a matter of law that America is being invaded, but it's time for those in authority who can do something with that conclusion to do the same. God bless America. Thank you all for that.